Congratulations on your new Cyclone fifth wheel. I'm going to walk around and show you some of the basics on the operation of your fifth wheel. In front here we have your electrical side of your fifth wheel. There's a red switch here, which is a battery disconnect switch. This switch has to be turned on to the green position to power up the camper. There's a secondary switch over here. This is your hydraulic leveling fluid. Your battery is located underneath here. This is your inverter system for your refrigerator, and your generator is located down underneath here. On the front here, we've got your electric leveling jack system. They are hydraulic. You simply push these two arrows at the same time. A green light will come up. That green light will indicate there's power to this keypad. So then you can control your jacks from that keypad to operate them up and down, to hook it up to your hitch, or to auto level the camper. Behind these side compartment doors is a propane tank on either side. Righty-tighty shuts the valve off, lefty-loosey opens up the valve. When we get to the other side, we're going to show you an auto changeover valve, which has to be in a green position to let you know propane's actually flowing through the line. We're just going to shoot some basic walk around videos of this new camper. Okay, this is your docking station on this side. This is your selector valve. Dry camping means it's pumping off the freshwater tank. Tank fills simply when you want to fill that tank, you hook up to the city water hose connection right there and fill it that way. When you want to hook up and winterize it, you simply rotate the valve all the way down. This hot and cold valve here down below is your hot and cold exterior shower. You do have an exterior spray hose that is included with that. This city water connection here is to flush your block water tank. This on-off switch here turns on your pump from the outside. To turn on your lights, simply depress them in the center. Down behind this door here is your gray and black valves. 1.5 inch is your gray valve, black is your 3-inch. 3-inch will dump the sewage tanks, 1.5 inch, then you use to flush them out. Underneath here is your low points. That simply drains the fresh water lines when you go to winterize the system. I'm gonna walk you around the outside. Really nothing you have to do with your hot water heater tank from here. I'm going to show you that on the inside just so you see where the plug is to pull the plug if you ever need to. Use a 7/8 inch socket. All you have to simply do is pull that to drain the water from the tank. To let you know that water was in the tank, you can use a pressure relief valve. It indicates that there was water in the tank. Back here again, you got a sewage tank flush. You got gray and black valves behind there for your rear exterior bathroom. This is where your 3-inch dump is located actually for you to empty your tank. Behind this door right here is your dispensing nozzle, your fuel hookups, and this simply turns on your fueling station. It does come with a 25-foot 50-amp power cord. We do give you the adapters that convert from 50 to 30 and 30 to 15 amp. This right here, you simply pull your pins, swing your ladder forward to operate your ladder. With your door, simply pull out on the handle, swing and rotate that around. When your door is in a horizontal position, that means it's in its patio position. When you take and detach the cables, it'll swing all the way to the ground. Your stairs are located in this lock compartment down here. Okay, you guys, the refrigerator's right there. Spare tire is located underneath the camper right there. That will swing right out for you. Your new 3-burner, they've enlarged the stove on this model. This is brand new, just recently released. Your slide out TV and your bypass valve. The bypass is for your hot water heater. All you have to do is simply rotate that. It'll bypass the hot water heater tank, so you won't want antifreeze through the system. Your new sewer hose, we give you the electrical adapters, as I mentioned. In here is your secondary propane tank. In here in the far right corner, you'll notice that green selector valve. That plastic piece on the top, whichever way it's pointed, is the tank it's drawing from. When this turns red, that simply means your tanks are empty. So you want to make sure your flipper rotate it the other way. It is an auto changeover valve and will switch over automatically. Well, let's walk inside and we'll show you some of the basics of the operation of your new RV. Okay, you guys. This is kind of where our main command center and everything happens. Switches up here control the operation of your slide out. Your Yeti pack is your heating pads for your additional tanks. This shows the operation of your inverter system, your solar panel that's on the roof that's charging the camper. These are just light switches, turn it on. They can also be controlled from this keypad here as well as your slide outs. So there's a manual operation as well as a backup operation. This does have the ability, they have a program that you can download to your phone so you can operate actually things from your phone as well. Your thermostats, you've got 3 of these throughout the camper. Real simple to operate. All you do is push those, push it again, auto fan comes on. One more time, the air conditioner comes on. Up and down arrows control temperature settings. If you want to get to the heat setting, push it one more time, it'll go to furnace mode. Simple, simple operation. That is a ground fault plug in the bathroom. If the button gets pushed out in the center, that means the breaker has been tripped. What you'll want to do is push to reset that breaker. Your keys are located around your faucet. This is your brand new stove. This stove now is larger than it was before. There's a fan for your oven. When you want to go to light this, it's an auto ignition range. Simple operation there. Overhead lighting opens your vents that are above. Your refrigerator, the directions for operation, temperature controls. Okay, we're going to show you how to operate the beds in the back here. You'll notice in these beds, in all 4 corners, there's a pin that's in the upper 4 corners. To allow both beds down at the same time, you have to pull all 4 pins on that bed for operation. This switch here will allow it up and down. By pushing it into down mode, if those pins are still in, it's not going to allow the top bed to come down. Your tables are located underneath those beds. When you go to close these doors, the back door, you want to make sure the screens are in a down position. It allows the air to flow through. If these screens are in an up position, it can pop out the glass when you go to close the exterior door. Those are ram airs. Squeeze those in the center, simply push out, and that forces fresh air into the system. There's your 25-foot 50-amp power cord. And of course your back TV. Hook up through your washer dryer. TV. Most of your remotes and additional paperwork are typically located in the drawer in the kitchen. Once again, keys are around the faucet. You guys, that just shows you some of the basics of the operation of your camper. If you have additional questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me directly on my cell at 231-740-6225. I hope you enjoy your new RV and have a great day.